day you will feel fresh. And all the day long, you will be happy because your body is clean. Sige, mami. Mag-live ka. Mag-live ka ng maaga. But, let's take a bath. Maligo ka na din, mami. Mag-live ka na maligo. Mamaya pa, sige. Hindi naman ito matagal. Hindi naman matagal yung live ko kasi ano lang itong shower. Magluto ka pa. Maligo tayo sa may maliligo. Nito, massage little bit. Laki-laki ng tiyan. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki ng aking tiyan. Ang pula-pula. I'm using Dove sabon. Sige, mami. Luto ka, mami. Luto ka lang dyan. Suman. Good morning, Suman Pandi. Good morning. I will clean my, I have bleach on my back. Awitin mo at isasayo ko. Awitin mo at isasayo ko. Take a bath, take a bath, take a bath. Let's take a bath. Bika, Bikra. Good morning, Bikra. Good morning. Prabhu. Good morning, Prabhu. Good morning, good morning. Sexy. Hello, good morning. Sandali lang. I'm not hiding. I just know my nose. Backside. Backside. I'm wearing pants. Good morning. Let's take a bath. Come enjoy, take the bath. Bath time, bath time. Raise your hand. Sige, sige. Sige, bat. More soap. More soap. So nice. Our challenge. This challenge every day. We have to accept challenge every day, bathing every day. Make our day fresh.